Yep. Yep. Okay. Are we gonna ride Slinky Dog? Oh, well, we have to get in line. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? You gonna do this?
Yeah.
Okay. You've never done this ride. You ready? Let's do this. Can you say let's do this? Let's do this.
Let's do it!
Yeah! Are you excited? Okay. We're gonna be the next one, okay? Hold Mommy's hand, and I'll help you get on, okay? Okay, here we go. This way, get on. Ready? Here we go. Okay, ready? One more time. Here we go. Ready? You got it, homie. You're brave, okay? In the name of Jesus, you're brave, okay? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! You want a water? You did it! High five! Was that fun? Huh? It was fun? It wasn't fun. It was fun? It was scary. Do you want a Slinky Dog? Do you want a Slinky Dog toy? Yeah, okay, we're gonna get a toy. Hey, was that fun? It was fun? It wasn't? What do you think? You've been wanting to ride Slinky. Huh? Do you want to do it again? You don't? It wasn't fun? No? Get one. Okay? You want that one? You want that one? Okay.
We're getting a Slinky Dog?
Yes.
The register's right there.
Over here, Sissy. Well, we've got to go pay for it, remember? We pay for the things we want. Over here. Ready? Let's go over here. All right.
Hi. There it is. You want me to open Slinky all the way up? Yeah?
Yeah?
Let's go little button here. This time we light up Slinky. Okay.
Yeah. Do you love it? Thank you. No, thank you. All right. Good job. You did it, my brave girl. All right. You have matching toys. Look, he has a matching Slinky too. Thank you.